welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Press hit that notification bell. In this video, I'll be showing you how I use these beautiful fairy lights to write my name on this wonderful lawn. Stay tuned. First thing first, you will need a separate plug for each light. These lights cannot attach to each other, else it won't give you the effect that you desire. First, I write the letter O. Now, I'm writing N, as you can see in the photo. Alright, I will show you each letter that I write, and then I will be showing you the letters separately, and then I will be showing the complete package. So just stay tuned and in tune. I'm finished with E. Now I'm writing I. Now I'm at the letter L. I'm finished with my first name. Now take a look and then I will go to my last name. Viewers and subscribers, there you have it. That is my first name, Oneil. Now I'm getting ready to start my last name, so I will begin with the letter G. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Here I'm writing the letter G, and I must be honest with you guys, this is the most difficult letter of my name to write with these fairy lights. I wrote it twice before I got it to look close to what I wanted. There you have G number 1. However, it wasn't to my liking, so I decided to redo it. Here we go. Okay, this is more like what I had in mind. So when I'm through writing, I will be giving you a close-up look on each letter, so you can let me know what you think. At this moment, I'm going for the big R. So I'm writing R at this moment. R is completed, so I'm moving on to letter A. There you have A. Now I'm going for letter N. And I think this is the easiest one of all. N is completed. I'm moving on to letter T. I use one line to complete each letter so far. However, T is a little more technical, so I'll be using 2 lines for this one. This light decided that it don't want to be a part of letter T, so I have to go find another light to complete my T. There you have it, T is completed. Now it's time for a close-up look at each letter, so spell with me. Here you have O, N, E, I, and L, and that spells Oneil. You can see the letters crystal clear. Now you have G, R, A, N, T, and that spells grand. Guys, take a look at the finished product. I personally think this is a beauty, even though they say self-praise is no recommendation. However, I tend to differ. I think self-praise is the first recommendation, and me not easy for please, and I am pleased. However, guys, let me know what you guys think. I must say though, I wasn't prepared for this, meaning I did not draw anything on the lawn and then put the light in, or setting it in there and put the light in. As you see on camera, I just freestyle basically. I just pull the light out and then write my name. And there you have it. I think it's beautiful. What do you think? I think I will be doing a part 2 of this. I'm not sure when yet, but in part 2, I will be writing my entire YouTube name. Also, if there's something you'd like to see me write, feel free to leave that comment so I can get working or get writing. And trust me, it was a pleasure doing this. You know, I enjoy doing what I'm doing, and I enjoy posting these things for you guys to see, to view, to like, to comment, and to share if you wish to do so. See you soon.